Transform your business space with professional carpet cleaning that won't break the bank. Thunder Bay businesses can now access affordable solutions to maintain pristine professional environments. Room cleaning rates vary based on size, with small offices up to 150 square feet costing between $30 to $45. Medium spaces ranging from 150 to 300 square feet priced at $45 to $60, and large areas over 300 square feet charged at $60 to $75. Several factors influence carpet cleaning pricing, including the type of carpet fiber, whether synthetic or natural, as different materials require specific cleaning approaches. Traffic patterns and wear levels throughout the space impact the cleaning intensity needed, while stubborn stains may require special treatment methods, affecting the overall cost. Environmental factors play a role in determining appropriate cleaning techniques and drying times. The selected cleaning method also significantly impacts the final price, as different approaches require varying equipment, products, and labor intensity. While big box retailers advertise $119 for two-room specials, local expertise from Fresh Carpet Cleaning delivers superior results with competitive pricing tailored to Thunder Bay's business community. Contact Fresh Carpet Cleaning today for a customized quote that matches your commercial space requirements and budget.